Have you ever thought about how something as simple as a cup of tea can change your life? I mean, we all have our go-to drinks, right? Coffee in the morning, maybe some soda in the afternoon. But what if I told you that adding just 1 cup of hibiscus tea to your daily routine could unlock a whole new level of health benefits? Yeah, I know it sounds a bit too good to be true, but hear me out. First off, let's talk about what hibiscus tea actually is. It's made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower, and it's this vibrant, deep red color that just screams, "Drink me!" The flavor is tart and refreshing, kind of like a mix between cranberry and pomegranate, and it's naturally caffeine-free, which means you can sip on it any time of day without worrying about those jitters or sleepless nights. So, why not swap out that afternoon coffee for a cup of this beautiful brew? Now, let's dive into the health benefits because, honestly, this is where hibiscus tea really shines. One of the most talked about perks is its ability to help lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Imagine sipping on something that not only tastes amazing, but also helps keep your heart healthy. It's like a little hug for your cardiovascular system. But wait, there's more! Hibiscus tea is also packed with antioxidants. These little warriors fight off free radicals in your body, which can lead to all sorts of issues, from aging to chronic diseases. We all want to feel young and vibrant, right? So, why not give your body a boost with something that's not only delicious but also protective? It's like giving your cells a spa day every time you drink it. And if you're someone who's health conscious or trying to manage your weight, hibiscus tea can be a game changer. It's been shown to help reduce body fat and lower cholesterol levels. Imagine that, a tasty drink that can help you on your weight loss journey without feeling deprived. Plus, it's super hydrating, so it's perfect for those hot summer days when you're craving something refreshing. Now, let's talk about digestion. If you struggle with bloating or an upset stomach, hibiscus tea can help with that too. It's known for its mild diuretic properties, which means it can help flush out excess water weight and reduce bloating. Not to mention, it can also aid in digestion and keep your gut happy. Who doesn't want to feel light and energized throughout the day? But here's the kicker. Drinking hibiscus tea can also elevate your mood. There's something about that bright red color and the tart flavor that just makes you feel good. It's like a little moment of joy in a cup. Plus, the act of making tea, boiling the water, steeping the petals, watching the color transform, can be a form of mindfulness. It's a moment to pause, breathe, and take care of yourself amidst the chaos of life. So, how do you incorporate hibiscus tea into your daily routine? It's simple. You can brew it hot or cold, add a touch of honey or lemon if you like, or even mix it into smoothies for an extra punch of flavor and nutrition. The possibilities are endless. I challenge you to try this for just a week. Drink a cup of hibiscus tea every day and see how it makes you feel. You might just find that it becomes your new favorite ritual. So, what do you have to lose? A cup of tea a day could be the little change that makes a big difference in your life. Cheers to your health.